Hey y'all, my name is Maria Kariampuzha, class of 26. You're probably wondering why I'm standing in the middle of a train wreck. Well, today we're here to learn about Disaster Day. Join me as we make some new friends and discover another piece of Aggieland together. Today I'm here with Tyler Watson, Student Planning Director of Disaster Day. Wow, Tyler, this looks like something out of a movie. Where are we?
Today, we are here on the grounds of Disaster City. And this is the training grounds operated by TEACS, the Texas A&M Engineering Extension Service. And they do operations and specifically training for all different types of agencies across the country on different rescue and disaster-related emergency response operations.
So I heard that tomorrow is Disaster Day. Can you tell me a little about what that is?
So Disaster Day is the nation's largest student-led disaster response simulation in the country. So what happens is a team of graduate students and undergrads work together to put on a disaster simulation, and that allows students from multiple colleges to come together to train on what a disaster response would look like across multiple different disciplines.
Wow, it's so cool to see so many Aggies involved. Tyler, can you tell me about your role tomorrow?
Yeah, so as Student Planning Director, I've actually gotten to lead the group of students that volunteer to help plan this for the last 6 to 8 months. And so tomorrow is going to be the culmination of a lot of hard work. Really, I'm going to get to work on the operation side of things to make sure that from the time people get here to check in to the time that they get on the bus and leave, they are taken care of and have the best opportunity for learning in this experience where they get to respond to a disaster and facilitate incredible patient care to some victims. But not only that, we actually get to partner with some people who do what we call moulage, which is essentially makeup. And so some of our students at the Performing and Visual Arts get to come in and make our victims look really realistic by putting some really intense makeup on them and really making the experience a little bit more alive for our providers. So tomorrow you're going to see hazardous decon, you're going to see a train wreck and how people go and do the search and rescue component and then take them to field hospitals to treat them.
Tyler, that's so exciting. How does this type of experience prepare students for careers in healthcare and emergency response?
Yeah, so our students have the opportunity to work across multiple different disciplines, and working together really prepares them for future settings, be it emergency or hospital. Getting to see nurses, athletic training, psychology, medical, pharmacy, all work together to serve patients as well as they can is an incredible experience and a good training opportunity. So whether it's an emergency or in the hospital, they get the understanding of how to communicate across different fields to serve the patients the best they can.
Tyler, an operation like this must take a lot of expenses. For those who are watching, what are some ways that they can help support?
So it takes a lot of time, manpower, and supplies to pull off an operation that looks this realistic. So if you're interested in supporting us, reach out to the Texas A&M Foundation and they can get you connected with us. We'd love to sit down with you, have a conversation, start to build a relationship so we make sure that your resources go to the right place and best support student engagement and training the way that you want to see it done. Now, you've heard about Disaster City, you've heard about Disaster Day. Are you ready to go check it out?
Yes, let's do it.
Awesome. Now, before we go, 3 things you need to know about disaster response. 1, always stay safe. 2, always stay calm. And 3, always communicate with your team. As I like to say, the whole is consistently greater than the sum of the parts. Ready to go?
Let's do it.
All right.
I just want to give a huge thank you to Tyler, the Student Planning Committee, and our friends here at TEACS for taking the time to explain to us what happens here at Disaster City and for allowing me to experience Disaster Day. Thank you for joining me as we discover Aggieland.